Hey guys, today's another product demo, and in my opinion, it's the single most important product not named shampoo and conditioner. Leave-in conditioner makes a huge difference in your hair with little to no effort on your part, and it works no matter how you style it. You want to make sure to use a leave-in in addition to your regular conditioner, because when you rinse your regular conditioner off, it's gone and your hair is essentially naked. Leave-in conditioner is a great way to lock in that moisture and protect your hair all the way up until the next wash. It also helps with frizz, flyaways, and generally makes your hair look smoother, shinier, and easier to work with. Leave-in conditioner is a must-have product. There's really no way around it. One of the biggest principles in hair is that everyone is a little bit different. So today, I'm gonna give you a good starting point for your hair type, and you can tweak it as you like. But before that, let's get into strategy. With leave-in conditioner, you wanna strike a balance between two different things at the same time. The first thing is keeping your hair healthy and hydrated. The second thing is keeping it feeling light, fresh, and clean. Those two things are pulling in opposite directions, so you need to experiment a little bit to make sure you get the perfect balance for you. First off, I really prefer sprays for leave-in conditioners. There are creams out there, but I feel like they're heavy and they're difficult to evenly spread throughout your hair. This is my absolute favorite, and there's really no close second place to it. It's called Pure Algae Color Fanatic, and I highly recommend everyone uses it. If you have fine hair, I would only use this on your mids to ends. I would use about 8 sprays, making sure one of those sprays hits your ends directly. Medium hair can use up to 8 to 10 sprays, but again, only on the mids and ends, and make sure one hits your ends directly. If you have coarse hair, I'd do somewhere between 12 and 14 sprays, and I'd even do it on the crown of your head. I would worry more about using enough instead of using too much. Your hair will drink this right up. Now these are great starting points, but like I said earlier, you may need to experiment. If your hair starts feeling dirty really quickly, then try using less. Or if your hair still feels dry, you can always try using more. It's different for everyone. Go up and down to see how you like it to find the perfect balance for you. This process usually takes about a week or two, but if you're still having problems after that, feel free to email me and I'll help you figure it out. Have a good one.